Hi everyone, this is Mindset Successful Coach Laudiaann making another video. I had to take a break today. I actually want to make this quick little video because of the fact that I'm in the YouTube subscribers with Wesley Virgin. I really love that group because we're actually building our channels together and loving getting those watch time hours. We're all going up, guys. We're not going down, and I'm very excited for all of us. But today my computer froze, and I had to actually turn off my computer, and I had to clear my cookies again. And at the same time, Jeremy was saying that 19 of us wasn't. Okay, guys, I had to put my dog down, but this is what I did because you guys having your computer get frozen because we have so many in the group. This is what I did. I got my laptops. I actually got one. This one right here is my Chromebook. So what I do is I set up like 6 of the people on this computer, and then I go to my HP right here, and I do the rest of the people on this computer at the same time. So this actually resolved my problem. I don't have to worry so much, but that's what I did. And these 2 computers right here on the right and on the left. My husband thinks I'm crazy because I have a lot of computers, but I also got one in the corner. Right in the corner. That's if we want to watch something on the TV. I have a computer right here. It's an older model. Well, it's an older model, but it's right on the floor. And I do a lot of stuff with that computer. That's where I make my other different kind of videos. I have the software that kind of creates a lot of graphic videos that I do. So and I also got some tablets. I have an AT&T tablet, just a regular Samsung tablet, and I have another tablet that's also it's an iPad. So I use that a lot, and I take that one a lot with me. So actually I'm kind of like the electronic girl. So I have a lot of electronics around here, but the thing is that the internet sucks here because sometimes the connection is not so great, and then all of a sudden it's great. So it's AT&T, and we've been with them for years, me and my husband, but for some reason we're thinking of just changing services because whenever we need something, they always have it on the phone, or you gotta recover your connection through the phone, which is a headache. So, well, hello everyone. This is Mindset Successful Coach Laudiaann, and actually had to stop advertising. I've been advertising all day. I've been on the YouTube subscribers group with the Wesley Virgin, and I'm always trying to make it on every 3 sessions with the at 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. So I've been really busy. I was happy that I was in all 3 of those groups since I'm off today. And I'm running 2 laptops, like I told you. I'm running 2 laptops. I do half of the people in one, and the other half I do the other half. And that kind of resolves my computer from, freezing on me. So guys, that's a special tip that you guys, if you have more laptops, by all means use the other laptop too. Yep. Guys, right now I'm in my little craft room. I'm thinking of crocheting. But I wanted to share you guys a little bit about myself so you know who I am. I am a creative craft person. So I love to crochet, And I do a little sewing, but I do have an Etsy shop. I do have a shop in La Habra, California. I'm actually with the owner. That's actually her shop, but I rent a spot from her, and I have all my crafts over there. And I also do like three or four craft shows a year. So most of my stuff are there, and then I have this area. And then I used to have a storage, but then I couldn't afford it, so I just kind of like stored everything at the shop. It was a lot easier for me and less less expensive. So doing a lot, quite a lot, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Alright, I'm just moving my camera around. I actually got it on a stand, so I can actually put this down so you guys can see. And I go, hello! But I have my sewing machine here. I have all my yarn, my threads here in this corner. That's my embroidery machine, and that's my serger. And these right here are kind of like shoelaces, because I've been making masks. But I'm thinking of using that for something else now. And I do have an Etsy shop, guys, called Jesus Dainty Crafts. You can look me up on the Etsy shop. I have crochet patterns. I used to list a lot of my items there, but they don't do very well. What really does well is making patterns. People are actually creating patterns, making patterns with a PDF file. That's very time consuming. I'm trying to get better lighting so you guys can see me. Alright guys, I do have to list some of these things online, of which I told myself I would do. So I need to stop advertising on my computer and start listing these items. Okay, I'm gonna just show you a little bit of what I'm gonna be listing. This is my doggy I made. I've actually got a lot of them, so I know one day when I am fully retired, have my own place, I'll be able to do more craft shows. I'll be able to go into places like hospitals, nursing homes, give away like these things right here, little animals. I used to make some amigurumi elephants and hippopotamus, and I hope I said that right. Here's one, an octopus, and I used to just give it away to the seniors, those that don't have family. And you know, whenever I give them a gift, they just like cry because nobody comes to visit them, nobody shares their love to them. So I'm actually want to do that more. That's one of my whys, guys. I want to be able to go into the nursing home, play music with them because I'm a musician, and also give away stuff like this. This one right here is a Pokemon ball. So I do make these, guys. They are sellers as well. I'm gonna list one on the shop, on my Etsy shop, and I got several of them in La Habra shop, but I have to get to it because I have a lot of work to do. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys just a little bit about my crafts. One day I'm gonna upload a video of my music, so I'll share that too. Okay, so you guys can get to know more about me and my family. But I've got lots of equipment here in the corner, and just wanted to share that with you guys all. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. You guys have a blessed day. I'm gonna do some meditation right now, and then I'm going to, I don't know, crochet something. I need to finish some of the projects for my customers. Alright, take care guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.